Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a website in Wix using a Canva website template. So if you have designed a website layout in Canva but you want to build it on Wix for better functionality, this tutorial is for you. So what you learn here is you can know how to export your Canva website template and how to upload and customize it in Wix. So here, yeah, guys, the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to the Canva, and there you can search for website templates. So here, guys, you can choose a free or premium template that matches your design. And of course, guys, you can go there and customize the colors, text, and images to fit your brand. So as you can see here, guys, I can search here. So in this search field of the design, I'm just gonna search here blog. So here I'm gonna choose here, and I can also search for here website. So there you have it. So I think I'm gonna choose this one. Let's try to look for more. So on this tutorial, guys, we will just be focusing more on how to upload it on Wix. So we will just gonna choose a template here on the Canva, but we will not focus on editing it. So here, I'm gonna choose this template. So once you chose your template, guys, you can customize the colors, the text, and even the images to fit your brand. For example, to this is this one. I'm gonna add another one. So here, guys, I'm adding another page here. So for us to have a blog on Wix. So here, once done, you just need to click share, then go to the download, and you can select PDF or JPEG. So pro tip here, guys, if you want a clickable links, export it as PDF. So here, tap on the download and wait for it, guys. So going back here, guys, let's go and search for the Wix Studio and log into your account. So as you can see here, you just need to tap on this one. So here, guys, this is the dashboard of the Wix Studio. So you'll be able to see here some features of this website. But the important part here is you need to log in and register. So they will ask you how you'd like to start creating. And here, they will give you this one. You just need to wait for a little bit, and they will welcome you with this one, and they will give you a blank Canva. So make sure, guys, to choose a blank Canva and not a template from the Wix, because we are going to have the template from the Canva. So here, I'm just gonna tap on the images, and I'm gonna edit this one. So to make sure that this image is same size of the page, I'm just gonna tap on this one and go here. So here, so you can see here, scale, proportional. You can fix or either stretch. So we are going to choose the stretch one. So here, it is now the same size of the page, and it's time to upload an image coming from our computer, which is, we have it from Canva a while ago. So here, you just need to tap on that one. So right after that one, guys, you just need to go there and wait for it, and it will be now like this for a while. Just need to wait. And here, tap on that one. And here, guys, you'll be able to see here this one. So just repeat it, guys. So we have a 3-page on the Canva a while ago, so we are going to put it here also. So you just need to take time. So add more section for us to have a 3 pages. So here guys, you need to choose a blank template to start fresh, and you can go there, upload media, and then upload your Canva images. And you can drag and place your uploaded design onto the page. And now your Canva design is inside the Wix. You can now make it interactive. So how to make it interactive, guys? So making your Wix website functional, you need to add clickable buttons. So there, you need to go to add and then buttons, then choose a style depending on you guys. Drag it over where the button is in your Canva design. So click the link option and choose a page or external link. And in adding text and forms, guys, you need to use Wix text elements instead of Canva text for better SEO. So also guys, you can add a contact form to capture leads and create navigation links. So here you need to click menus and pages and add new pages. So of course guys, you need to set up a header menu for easy navigation. So pro tip here guys is you need to use Wix anchor links to make one page scrolling site. So of course guys, the important part here is making it mobile friendly. So when you click the mobile view in the top toolbar guys, you need to adjust the text sizes and then the button placements. So make sure guys that the images and the sections are properly aligned. So the Wix will automatically make your site responsive, but always double check there. So here, as you can see here, link. And once you're done guys, you can now click the publish to make your website live. So here, you can add another one here. So you can also go to your business, my business guys. So you can edit your own blog. So here you can add more about the Wix. For example, the Wix portfolio, the Wix chat. And here you can also custom apps here. And you can go in automation. So here you'll be able to see your different kinds of apps here. And once you're done guys, you just need to click publish to make your website live and get a custom domain for a professional look. Share your website link and start promoting. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use or how to turn a Canva website into a fully functional Wix website. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment below guys if you have any questions, and of course guys, the important part, subscribe for more web design tutorials. See you in my next video and goodbye. Bye!